Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Rant Tech. Today we have something exciting to unbox for you, the brand new M4 iPad Pro 11 inch in 256GB Wi-Fi model in this sleek space black colour. This device is packed with amazing features and we're going to dive into all of them, so let's get started. First off, let's take a look at the packaging. As always, Apple delivers a premium unboxing experience. The box is clean and minimalistic, with the image of the iPad Pro and some branding. Now let's go ahead and open it up. Here it is, the M4 iPad Pro 11 inch in space black. The colour looks absolutely stunning. Let's take a look and see what else is in the box. Inside, we have the usual documentation, a sleek black USB to USB-C braided cable, and a 20-watt USB-C power adapter. Pretty standard, but everything you need to get started. Surprisingly, there's no Apple stickers this time round. Apple's eco-friendly move, but I secretly miss those stickers. First thing you notice is how sleek and lightweight the iPad Pro is. The space black finish gives it a premium and professional look. The build quality is top notch, as expected from Apple. The 11-inch Ultra Retina display looks gorgeous even before we power it on. Let's dive into some of the key features. The M4 chip under the hood promises blazing fast performance, making this iPad Pro one of the most powerful tablets on the market. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or using demanding apps, this device can handle it all with ease. The Ultra Retina tandem OLED display with ProMotion technology offers a buttery smooth experience. The 120Hz refresh rate keeps it super smooth. The colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and the text is crisp, making it perfect for anything from watching videos to editing photos. Now let's talk about some of the benefits of owning the M4 iPad Pro. First up, the performance. The M4 chip ensures that you can run even the most demanding apps without any lag. This makes it an excellent choice for professionals, creatives, and gamers alike. Another major benefit is versatility. With accessories like the Apple Pencil and the Magic Keyboard, you can turn your iPad Pro into a drawing tablet, a laptop, or a powerful workstation. The 256GB of storage with the entry-level model gives you plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and video files. The camera system on the iPad Pro is also impressive. With a 12-megapixel wide camera, you can capture stunning photos and 4K videos. The front-facing true-depth camera is perfect for FaceTime and selfies. It also supports Face ID for secure unlocking. Battery life is another strong point. With up to 10 hours of battery life, you can use the iPad Pro all day without needing to charge. And with Wi-Fi 6E, you'll get faster and more reliable internet connections, whether you're at home or on the go. So there you have it. The M4 iPad Pro 11-inch 256GB with Wi-Fi model in space black. It's powerful, versatile, and beautifully designed device that can handle just about anything you throw at it. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who just loves tech, this iPad Pro is definitely worth considering. Tell me, what do you think of the new iPad Pro? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more unboxings and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.